Today I'd like to show you how to make a love potion. This is my captain, and I'm hoping to make him fall in love with me. I decided to try and save some polymer clay that had gone gross and all stuck together, and so I tested it to make sure that it was pliable and usable, which it was. So then I chose a nice glass jar with a really cute lid and some alcohol. You can also just use coloured water if you prefer. My plan for the design is to use a cookie cutter that's shaped like a heart and make lots of little hearts to stick around the outside of the bottle. And then using more polymer clay, I'll make some vines to connect them all so that they're all touching. This was my first time working with a glass jar, and I actually found it really easy, and I was surprised that the pieces didn't want to fall off. I added some glitter for highlights. And then we used a funnel to put the liquid inside the bottle. And now we need to make a label. And there we have it, a love potion. I hope it works. Thanks for watching everyone, and happy crafting!